Hey folks, Bob here. What we have here is hiding in this basement. We got a 396 Chevelle. Look at this car, super sport. White with red trim, rally wheels, red interior, and we got a stick in the floor, 4-speed. He's going to get the keys. He's going to fire it up for us. He says it's a real SS and a real big block car. He's got a battery tender on it. There he comes. He's gonna fire this car up for us.
I got down. Take the charge off.
Yes.
Tender on it.
Yeah, I saw you had the battery tender on it. You've had it about 15 years, you say?
Yeah. Kind of goes by quick. I ain't drove a whole lot since I had it.
Yeah. Man, that's a nice car. It's got an MSD.
It's got 4-wheel disc brake.
4-wheel disc brakes has been added to it, folks.
Yeah. It's got rally wheels on it. That's what kind of wheels. Same kind of wheels when I bought it.
Right, right. Did it come from the factory with this red pinstripe? Is that factory?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, they come like that.
Okay. That's a nice touch. I like that.
It's been painted.
Is that the original color?
Yeah.
Okay. Will it start right up? You need to...
I might have to pat the gas a little bit.
Okay.
I'll back it out.
I'm going to turn you loose for just a second, folks. We'll cut you right back on here in just a second. There she comes. We'll back it out. Let us get a better look at it. Look at that, won't you? So you can burn a little richness off. That's all that is.
You want to go for a ride?
Yeah, let's go for a ride. You twisted my arm. We're going for a ride, folks.
Just the back. Let the seat back if you want to.
No, let's see. I think I'm okay. Put this seatbelt up here.
Just a little leave on the side of the seat if you want to let it back. There's that part
Oh,
out.
okay. I'm gonna turn you loose for just a second, folks, while I hook the seatbelt up. Yes, sir. We're ready. We're gonna go for a spin.
Need to drop a little bit in here.
That's a beautiful. Look at that hood. That is beautiful. You can tell you're in a muscle car right there. So it's the original 4-speed car, but you said it's got a Hurst shifter and it came with a Muncie shifter.
Yeah, come with a round. Got a head of chrome knob.
Right.
But this is her shift. But
man, this is a beautiful car.
got a rock crusher.
Rock crusher train. Yeah, the M22.
You
Yeah, I think it's called M22, I believe. All right, going on down the road, folks. Wow. And we just passed a Tesla.
A what?
A Tesla. One of those electric cars.
Oh, electric.
Yeah, that was coming from another direction. I thought, well, how about that? What's the oddest chances of that happening? Driving a classic muscle car and passing a Tesla, or meeting a Tesla, I should say. A little twisty road right here.
Yeah, it is. It's kind of curvy.
I haven't ridden in a 66 Chevelle in 40 years.
67.
67, ain't the one.
66, 67,
Yeah.
ain't about right.
Yeah, my dad had one when I was a little bitty boy.
You seen 66, ain't you?
Yeah, yeah,
There ain't a whole lot of difference.
No, there's
Just
not.
Front end and
Yeah.
back end difference.
right. Looks like we're doing about 60. I tell you what, it holds the road pretty good.
I put had new springs and all put on it, but new shocks.
Now, is it power steering?
It wasn't when I bought it and I had it put on there.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I like power steering one.
Right.
They're hard to park. So I had to put it on there.
Going for a ride in a 67 Chevelle SS 396. On Thanksgiving Day.
Yeah.
Whoa, man. This thing's got some torque in it.
Yeah. It's probably good.
Boy, this brings back some memories right here. Yeah, I hear that power steering belt. Wow. Speedometer said 90.
Huh?
That speedometer said 90 in second gear. Folks, you gotta love it. Bob's Classic Cars and Parts. We bring you some cool stuff. I appreciate it, man. Sound like I think your tailpipe's loose. Sound like it's rattling back there. I hear something rattling on the right side.
Yeah.
I want to look at that tailpipe. I don't even know your name. What's your name?
Donald.
Donald. Okay, that's right. That's right. We're over here having Thanksgiving dinner, and he's just one of the fellas that was over here. There's quite a few folks over here at my stepbrother's house. I don't know everybody. He's my stepbrother's neighbor. And he was mentioning he had this old Chevelle, and I said, I gotta see that. Oh, we're coming back up there where it gets curved, it gets real curvy. This will be fun. It's easy to see why these cars are so well loved. These, not just the Chevys, but all the muscle cars. They're just such wonderful cars. It's America at its best, I think.
I've always liked the Chevelle.
It's hard not to like this. It really is.
66, the first Chevelle I had. Somebody run in the back of that. Told lost it.
Oh,
one
Lord.
time.
Wow.
I've had a couple of them, but I had a 70 I wish I'd have kept, but that would have been worth right much better.
Yeah, especially if it's a big block.
Yeah, that was 454.
Oh, okay. Yeah, that would have been a fortune.
It's 450 horsepower.
Woo, man. Oh, what a thanks! This is the best part of my Thanksgiving day right here. And the meal was good, but this is even better.
One guy told me one time when I had that 66, I let him drive it, and it was 4-speed like this.
Right.
It had about the same kind of motor and all, cam and all in it. He said he'd rather drive that to eat when he was hungry.
Yeah, oh Lord, yeah. Oh, absolutely.
That's pretty good talking.
It does. You do a good job driving too. That thing was twisted up. Woo! Front end was starting to rise. You get light in the front ends. We need to find us a Mustang. We'll go racing right quick. What do you think?
I had a Mustang.
Did you really?
2017 I sold.
Okay, a modern Mustang. Okay.
It had it was a GT, it was 6-speed. It had 435 horsepower.
Right.
It was blue and black interior.
I bet that thing would get down the road pretty good too.
Yeah, that run pretty good. Keep making that fuss over there.
Yeah, I hear. I think it's I think your tailpipe's loose and it's rattling back there.
I'm gonna turn around like that.
All right. So this is a tack and a clock. Yeah, that's got 12. Yeah, it's got 12, and on the outside it's got 0 to 55. So
I probably need to set it down. Since I moved the time back in and set it. I like that wine.
yeah, I do too. Yeah.
That rock crusher.
Yeah. I got a lap belt holding me in, folks.
Huh?
Yeah, that transmission whine, that is cool, ain't it? That's
Yeah, I
old
like
school.
the way it sounds.
Yeah.
Got that whine to it.
Oh, we get that glare out of your eyes,
When I
guys.
first got this car, tore transmission out,
Oh, no.
and that man that had it said that makes the third transmission been in this car. I don't know what happened, it just come out, you know.
Are you gonna take it to the car show in town anytime soon?
But
You up in Youngsville?
let's see.
You do
I
it?
probably will next. It'll be next month,
Yeah,
like
right,
the second week.
Right. Just before Christmas, yeah.
Yeah.
I might see you up there.
All right.
I gotta get my Studebaker running so I can bring it down to the show.
Yeah, let's see that.
It's got a bad fuel pump in it right now. That Studebaker, it's a right decent little car. It ain't as nice as this car, but it's not bad.
And what Mommy said is,
1950 with the bullet nose.
it's got that round
Yep.
thing. I
Right, that
remember how.
round pointed nose in the front. Look at that smile on his face. He loves it too.
Huh?
I said, you love it too, don't you?
Yeah. You hear the carburetor again?
Yeah, I can hear that carburetor.
It's got a Edelbrock carburetor. It did have a Harley on it.
Uh-huh.
It got flooding bad.
So that's an Edelbrock carburetor on it?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Huh.
None didn't have no choke. And it was flood easy, so I went ahead and got me one of these Edelbrock.
Gotcha.
But I still like a Harley.
Hollies can be a little easier to tune sometimes. For performance, I guess you should say. You can dial them in a little better.
Yeah.
At least I think so, anyway. What you got hiding in that shop there?
Huh?
What you got hiding in there?
Oh, I got my motorcycle.
Oh, okay.
I got a Cub tractor. You want to see that?
Yeah, let me take a look at that. Sure. All right, folks, we're going to turn you off here. Hope you enjoyed that little ride along. And thank you, Donald, for letting us do that, okay?
Yeah.
All right, buddy.
You're welcome.
All right, folks, there's the machine right there. He's going to let the hood up. We're going to do, oh, I like the way you did that. That is cool.
Yeah, I put them on. I always liked them.
Big block, 396.
I put the bumper guards and all. I like everything extra I can get on it.
Okay.
So they come like that too, you know.
Right.
I put them on the back too.
Got the braided hoses. Awesome, Don. Looks nice.
I put them back here too.
Yeah, you did. Yeah.
That dresses it up.
It does. I agree. It looks nice. You did a good job on this car, Don.
Huh?
That's a nice looking car.
Thanks.
Putting it back in the garage, folks. Ooh, the sun is killing me right in my eyes. Let's see if I can. Ain't that a beautiful sight? Look at that. Look at those pine trees and all.
Film it before I put it back in there.
Yeah, go. I'll film it. Go ahead and I'll put it. I'll film you going in. There she is, tucked away. Hopefully he'll get it out for the next car show we got coming up here in a few weeks here in town. All right, folks, we really are done this time. I'm gonna have him get his car cover put back on. I got to go back to my Thanksgiving dinner. I done walked off from Thanksgiving. I'm gonna be in trouble.